Hello everyone. So for this experiment, I decided to study the effects of caffeine on seed germination. For this experiment, I decided to go with basil seeds and hibiscus seeds. I chose these two plant species because they're known to thrive in acidic environments. Given that they do, my original hypothesis was that seed germination would be more effective if the plants were exposed to brewed coffee. So for this experiment, I split the seeds into 4 groups. There was a control and an experimental group for the basil seeds, and there was a controlled and an experimental group for the hibiscus seeds. The control groups were seeds wrapped in a paper towel that was soaked in regular tap water, and the experimental group was the seeds wrapped in a paper towel that was soaked in cold brewed coffee. So the seeds were placed in designated baggies and placed outside in the same environment to control any other variables. I germinated the seeds for 7 days, and on the 7th day, I determined that my original hypothesis was incorrect. It turns out that these seeds actually germinated more effectively in their control groups. So for both the basil and the hibiscus seeds, seed germination was better when they were soaked in tap water versus the brewed coffee. So ways to improve the experiment would be to increase sunlight exposure. I live in an apartment complex, so there wasn't much light, direct light hitting the seeds being germinated. I would also try to, instead of soaking them in paper towels, actually plant them in soil and then simply watering the control group with the tap water and the experimental group with brewed caffeine.